Okay, what's up, guys? Today we got this bottle, and today we will be making a Lamborghini sound. So I'm not this good because I searched up on YouTube and it said to do this, like bend it. So I'm not that good. And you take off this. I don't know if you can spray it back. You take off that. So I'm not that good looking. Ooh.